Hey, it's Rachel from The Life Facilitator, and I am sharing my classic size setup for December using the classic Frost and Frolic inserts from Cocoa Daisy. And so let's get into it. I'll do another flip through of November at another time. So let's get into December. So this planner is a mix of it has teacher layout from 2022. That's sort of the base of the planner. And then like this dashboard, which I put this dashboard on top of, is from that planner. This is the currently page that came in the planner that I have covered with elements from the Frost and Frolic collection. So this divider is from that comes with the classic inserts, the Frost and Frolic classic inserts from Cocoa Daisy. And then on the back, to cover up the outdated monthly, I have one of the insert pages that look like this, and this has my gift list on it. I've punched a few of these pages opposite, and I was going to try it out just to see how I liked it. And this one I actually trimmed down so that it's almost more like a bookmark in my week than like a full page. All right, so I have all of my sections for December inside the December like pages, and you'll see what I mean. I don't have it separate. I have it all together. So I made this divider using the planner printable, the free printable that comes for subscribers to Cocoa Daisy, pocket card, and then a little bit of embellishment. And this is to house my work and content section. So I have the blog schedule on here, my own memory planning like checklist of what I need to finish. As you can see, I have quite a few notes, schedule notes, and then just notes in general, and then a personal section. And these are all, some of these are Cocoa Daisy graph paper, and some of it's just a printable graph page. Some lined paper, and then we get into the actual calendar pages. So first we have the month, and you can see, and here too, I used the planner, the tabs from the planner add-on kit, and then a stamp from a couple months ago, and I just reinforced them with clear tape because sometimes they fall off just because they're small, and I have them going off the page pretty high. Here's my monthly for December, and I don't always do a really like done up monthly, but I don't know what about December makes me want to like go all out in my monthly. So that's that. And then this is the first week of December. As you can see, I have one of the pages in backwards. So it looks like that. And I'm going to take out this is actually, I think this came with a actual planner. And I don't remember which one. And somebody asked in another video about this, and it is a very old Happy Planner stencil. And there are lots of these out there. It's just, I'm not sure this one's still available. Here's what my weekly looks like so far. I used last month's Doodle and Dash's memory keeping sticker kit stickers here, and then dated the rest of the month with this month's stickers. So each week, I don't have a lot yet, of course, because it's the beginning of the month, but I did go in and add the month and the number and the month to each week on these inserts. And then I also added in the color block page to the weeks I thought I would be using them. this week I am going to be out of town, and so I knew I didn't need a checklist for that week. And then, yeah, I have all through the rest of the month. And then I'm just going to find a 1 stamp and put that here. And yeah, that's how I have the inserts set up. And then behind that, I do have a daily section. I'm not in a B6 Rings. For a couple months I've been in the B6 Rings inserts, and they had daily pages, which was really great. So I decided to just add a few daily pages into this setup. Will I use them? Probably not. But it's nice to have them there. These are an old printable from Plan to Create. I don't think she makes this one anymore. And then we have the back of I was playing around with the Daisy Planner pages. And then we have the back of the December monthly dashboard with those pages behind it. And then it goes into January. So as you can see, basically my whole planner is in between this divider. So I'm going to try it out and see if I like it. I do like that I don't have to like flip all the way to the back of the planner or all the way to the front. It's kind of nice. And yeah, so just a quick look at my setup. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't looked at the Frost and Frolic collection from CocoDaisy, there are a few things left. A couple of the sticker kits are still available. So go check it out. Again, thanks for watching, and give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.